Hi, my name is Gemma Galdon. I'm the CEO and founder of ETICAS Tech. And let me start with this short video with a very bold problem statement. In the 19th century, you could buy cocaine in pharmacies, or you could vaccinate people without going through clinical trials. Even in the 80s, you could drive cars without seatbelts. Every innovation has been followed by a time in which people are not protected against the negative externalities of those innovations. Over time, the regulation kicks in, and then those sectors are shaped through the regulation, and new sectors and new initiatives emerge to make sure that compliance is a fact and that we have ecosystems of oversight and control of the negative externalities of innovation. This hasn't happened yet with AI, but it's beginning to happen. And Europe is leading the way when it comes to regulating AI. We at ETICAS Tech are leading the way when it comes to developing the mechanisms that, like seatbelts, provide AI systems with safety and reliability and transparency and explainability. I often say that at ETICAS, we build the seatbelts of AI and we call them algorithmic audits. We have been performing algorithmic audits for the last 6 years. We have an industrialized methodology that inspects 15 sources of bias in any algorithmic AI system, and we can automate that. And we can also build a tracker that once you've gone through an audit can track in real time how your key metrics are performing and raise a red flag when something is going wrong so that we can go back and look at those systems. So we have a very good idea of what kind of product is needed to scale algorithmic audits. We are asking you to support us in this new challenge that we as ETICAS have, just to scale what we do. In order for me to do that, I have the best team, the amazing Arantxa Cienfuegos, our COO, who comes from being a chief of staff at a multinational media company, Carlos Gallego, our CPO, who's leading the technical team in making sure that we productize and that we move forward towards our MVP. Cristina Martinez, our CFO, an auditor herself, so massive, massive help. So we have an amazing team with a clear mission and a great plan that is feasible and that is needed. But we need support. We need support to accelerate our MVP, to position our product at the global scale, and we need you. But also, may I say, maybe you need us. Can Europe afford to not lead the way in building the products that will shape responsible AI? Can Europe afford to stop at the regulatory level and not promote a new market around responsible AI? We want to be the first and the best and the main initiative to come out of Europe's care and responsibility towards the world in underpinning the principles and the practices of responsible AI. Thank you.